This is your man Gideon from Trending Billions Academy, the master trader himself here. So basically today I'm so super excited. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video, and make sure you like the video so that it can reach as many people as it can reach, and also share with your loved one and your family the video. So basically today I just want to quickly show you step by step on how you can get signed up with ChartGPT. Basically a lot of people have been talking about ChatGPT, and if you basically want to know a lot about it, ensure that you watch the video that is linked in the description below. So watch the video and introduction to what this is all about and how you can optimize this and make a lot of money. Just like basically we talk about making money in terms of investments, trading and all that on this channel. So if you really want to know how you can optimize yourself and maximize on the chances that is coming with this platform, ensure that you watch the video regarding what this is all about. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can get started, how you can sign up. So the link is in the description below. Go and check it out, or you can basically search it on your Google search, but it's better if you use the link in the description, that so that you can land on the safe side. You don't find yourself mingling on wrong chats. So basically this is it. There is an introduction of what it's all about, but I've already made a video about that, and here you actually read about it and how it can be of use and all that, how you can search simple topics, how you can search things that are trending, how you can search and it will give you answers and all that. So if you really want to know the method and how it's all working and how you can make money from ChatGPT, ensure that you get started with it. So that's the thing. So basically you can have an introduction regarding what this is all about. You can read through. If at all you don't want to watch the video for your own reasons, you can read through all this. I'll link this in the description as well. So today, like I've said, we want to get started in terms of signing up. So let's go step by step. Let's get started. After now doing the sign up, where we had to fill in our Gmail and the password that we're going to be using, a verification email has been sent to our Gmail. So basically we're going to go to our Gmail and verify it. The moment we do the verification in our email, we are brought to this section where we need to fill in our names, our full names, So in my case, I'm Gideon Simonza. Then you click on continue. Then you fill in the phone number that you're using, +26 0 966 12 25 52. Let me use the one that is accessible. +2609731378986. Then a code will be sent to our phone. So make sure that you're using the number that is accessible, where they can easily send a code to you. We have detected the suggestion behavior of your phone sim to use. Please try again later or contact me. I don't know why it has refused using this my number. Let me try this one. 096 6612 2552. 096 12 25 52. Let me try this one. Okay, so I've tried my other number, so I'm just waiting for the code for it to reach. So after signing up, you'll be sent to your Gmail to verify your Gmail. After verification of Gmail, you'll be requested to enter your names, your phone number. A code will be sent to you, just like I've received my code. I've received my code. It will be sent to you directly in your inbox. So my verification code, just entered my verification code, and there you go. Please state bio while we check in your browser. So I've completed that phase and we are good to go. So first and foremost, you enter your email. After entering your email, a verification email will come. So your email and the password that you're going to be using. After that, you are going a Gmail will be sent, a message will be sent to your Gmail. You verify your email. From the email verification, you put in your details, which are your full name, your first name, and your second name or your surname. And from there, you are requested to enter your phone number, verify the code on your phone. So ensure that you're using a valid phone number. And from there, that's where we are right now. So it can be lagging a little bit, but everything, the moment you just follow step by step, just take your time, follow step by step, and you reach here where we are right now. So basically it will bring you this kind of a thing where you have to choose to basically show you on what they are all what this is all about. So it's basically showing you what chat GPT is all about, and just a bit of a background about it. So here you are in your account. So that's how you open your ChatGPT, and you can enter a message. You can enter from here. You can search from here. You can do all that. So basically, this video was about how you can get started step by step in terms of signing up. If you want to know how you can make money using this platform, watch my other videos that explains in details on how you can